All right, in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to walk you through how you can use Canvas Studio to record your screen or capture your screen, maybe for lessons or instruction that you want to record and share with students. Maybe students aren't there that day, or maybe they need a reteaching opportunity or something like that, and you're going to record your lesson. Or maybe you're going to record a special presentation or a segment of your lesson, things like that. So you can use your ViewSonic PC to do this. You can use your desktop computer to do this. You just need access to the Windows desktop through the Chrome browser and then into Canvas to record the studio. So what we're going to do is on the left side of the course, or the left side of our Canvas dashboard, I should say, we're going to find the studio option. So this studio button should be available on all of your Canvas accounts. As a teacher, you'll click on it. I've already got some set up in here. But to keep this very simple, what we're going to do is we're going to, in this case, click on collection over here. And this is where you could go in and create kind of a folder, if you will, of where your videos might be stored. So in this example, I've got a Unit 1 collection. I'm going to go ahead and create a Unit 2 collection here. And when I do that, it takes me right into my collection. So if I click back to the library here, I'll see all of my collections or individual videos that are not part of a collection. So I'm going to jump back into Unit 2 collection. And so from this screen, this is going to be the actual how do I do the video. So I'm going to click record up here in the top right corner. And what I'm going to choose for this video is a screen capture. So this is going to basically set up and capture my screen on my computer. Now, the first time you use this, it might prompt you to download or update the screen recorder launcher. You should be able to do that at this time without any sort of admin rights. That should be allowed on all of your PCs. If you do encounter problems, you could submit a help desk ticket, though, and somebody will reach back out to you and help you get it set up. But basically, once you've got it updated and open, it's then going to ask you, what do you want to record on your screen? So this is where you could choose the parts of the screen that you want to actually record. So in this example, I'm just going to kind of keep it at the default here of capturing this particular window. So anything on the screen that I click around and do in this box, it will record. So I'm going to go ahead and click record up here in the top left corner, and you get a little countdown here. You'll want to make sure that whatever it is you're recording, I'm going to click around just so it does capture the recording. You want to make sure that you've got a microphone plugged in. So if you're using that ViewSonic and the PC and the ViewSonic, the document camera has a built-in microphone, so it should capture from that. If you're at your computer in your classroom, you might want to use the desktop in there. Then that should have a microphone or some sort of webcam access as well. So basically, when you're done with the recording, what you can do is up in the top left corner, once you do the lesson. So for time's sake, I'm going to go ahead and pause this. What it does is when you're done, you pause it, and then you can click done right here. And you'll notice that it's about 34 seconds, this particular video. So you click done, and then what it does is it's going to then ask you to give it a name, and it's going to ask you to give it a description. So this is for Unit 2, so I might just say Lesson 1, Unit 2, and then this is where I could go in and give it a description. So then when you're done, you just click upload, and what this does is this then uploads that video into your Canvas Studio. Once that video is fully uploaded in Canvas Studio, then you are ready to take it from the Canvas Studio and embed it into your Canvas modules. So it takes just a few minutes for this to upload. Obviously, the longer the video, the longer it will take to upload. In some cases, I know that we've had teachers, upload 20 or 30 minutes worth of video. But just be cognizant of that. Just be aware that it's the longer the video is, of course, the longer it'll take to upload. So once it's there, then you can click back on your Unit 2 collection, and you'll notice, like, there's my video. This one's 35 seconds. You can click to view it if you want to preview it. You can have it there available inside of your inside of the collection. And so what I'm going to do now, pause for just a second, and we're going to look at how we can then take this video and put it in our Canvas course. So from here, I'm going to go back to my Canvas dashboard. I've got the video created. I've got it recorded. And I want to just place it in my Canvas course. So I'm going to click on this training course. And then what I'm going to do in this example is I'm going to find the module that I want to put this video in. So for this one, we'll just keep it here. Let's just say that the video is going to go into this module. So I'm going to click on the plus sign out to the right of the module. And then from the drop-down menu where I would add items to my Canvas module, remember you can add assignments, quizzes, files, pages, all kinds of different items that you can add to module. We're going to choose the external tool option. And when I click external tool, I'm going to scroll down and find the one that says Studio. So we're using Canvas Studio as an external tool. And then from here, once I click Studio, we're going to find the video that I want to put in the module. So I can kind of resize and move this thing around if I need to, just so I can see it a little better. So if I click on Unit 2 Collection, remember that's where all the videos from Unit 2 would be housed because I organized it ahead of time. I can then select the video. And when I do that from here, I'm able to go in, kind of get a preview of the video. If you click on the settings, you'll be able to see like the speed and the quality of the video. From there, click Embed. And what this does is it should then, when you click Embed and then click Add Item, it should then add that Canvas Studio to the bottom of your module. And so when I could then click on that, it's going to show up right here inside of that particular module for students. Something that you might want to do is click on the settings and you can disable comments to the video if you want those disabled so that people can't comment on the video or students can't comment on the video in your class. But basically what you've got is modules. Once you've added that item, and that item is from an external tool window, once you've added that to your Canvas module, it'll show up there just like any other item. You would want to make sure to publish it when you're ready. You can move it around, put it in the correct place in your module so that the students then have access to it.